Hi again, and hope you're having a great day. So this is my third video for today. This one, it seems like, right, it is going to be such a big event that really will see the next phase of regulator-friendly crypto landscape, right? First, we have SEC wants to meet you. What is this? So the US SEC is going on tour in hopes of meeting with crypto entrepreneurs who otherwise may not engage with the regulator. FinHub, the SEC's branch dedicated to interacting with tech startups, posted a notice last week that it will be visiting major US cities, allowing individuals or teams to set up face-to-face meetings with agency staffers to ask questions or provide feedback about issuing tokens or other issues under the regulator's purview. And the road trip begins in San Francisco on March 26 at the SEC's local office, with the next visit planned for Denver. Quote, "We really do want to engage with folks that are seeking to innovate in this area, and they should know that it's typically a positive experience. I'm hoping to keep this going at the local level too, recognizing that not everyone can travel to DC or New York." Now, this is really such a significant event. This is really one of those, news that mark the milestone in the crypto history. When we look back, this will be one of those moments. Because why? It's because the US SEC, right, is really still the number one powerhouse, right, and financial hub of the world. They have always been not so crypto friendly, and now that they are doing an about face and they are going on road show and actually to meet with the community to basically ask them questions and allow them to ask questions as well, but except they are not giving legal advice, but every other thing they are willing to engage. That means they're also willing to listen, right, to understand more about this space. So very encouraging for the crypto landscape. Why? Because regulation is a very key enabler, and if you want a big serious money like the more pension funds and more endowment funds to really invest in this space, regulation has to be super clear and has to be really friendly, right? So yes, this is that first step that clearly signify that they are willing to soften their stance now. Next, investment firm Invesco launches blockchain ETF on London Stock Exchange. So just today as well in London, another big financial hub globally, a private company called Invesco, they have launched Invesco Elwood Global Blockchain ETF. So what this ETF is a very unique one. It gives exposure to a basket of companies who will make real money from the blockchain industry. So this is not directly your crypto, but this is a first step in the many steps, right? Because which are the companies that this ETF will invest in? It will have exposure to Apple, Intel, graphics processing units manufacturer AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, mining hardware manufacturer Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, and United States Exchange supporting Bitcoin futures CME Group. And not only that, it will have Square, which is the app, right, allowing people to buy and sell crypto. Overstock, again, to list security tokens, and Samsung as well, because with their latest crypto wallet in their Galaxy S10, right? So very good news, because you must understand, right, before we have the real crypto or Bitcoin ETF, we need to have something first, right, for the regulators to be very comfortable, for them and also for the investors, right, to have a taste of what it means, right, by having some exposure into crypto first. Yes, this is just companies that will directly benefit, either because they involved in mining, or they supply the mining chips, or like Square, they will benefit because they are directly involved in the buying and selling of Bitcoin, right? So definitely very key, because I think ETF is definitely open to anyone, even retail investors to institutional investors, and they can definitely get a taste, right? This is a definitely very easy avenue for institutions to want to get in, to have a taste of what it means by crypto. This is one of those avenues. So very key. This is one of those, again, a key first step before you can warm them up. Is really need to ease them in to say, now it is time to invest directly into crypto. That will take time, right? But let's just slowly warm them up, and I see this very good, right? It's like you slowly lure them in, right? Next, Deutsche Börse, Swisscom team up to build digital asset ecosystem. Now, over in Switzerland, this is like a global partnership, right? So you have Deutsche Börse Group, which owns the stock exchange in Germany. Swiss, they own telecoms and ICT from Swisscom, and Singapore-based fintech company Signum. They've entered into strategic partnership to make a very, very integrated ecosystem. So what it have is that Swisscom will provide the infrastructure. Signum will be the bank, right? They are going to get their license soon. They are going to be, they're going to do everything, including issuing tokens, storing, trading, managing the digital assets, and the custodian. It's going to be independent custodian. Is going to be Curated. Curated is going to be owned by Signum and Deutsche Börse, right? So it's going to be a one big company, so where they have a full ecosystem to facilitate, right? Trading and custodian, safekeeping, and managing of cryptocurrency, right? So again, very, very big news. Next, Swiss Stock Exchange 6 to reportedly list XRP exchange traded product. So Switzerland's largest stock exchange 6, they already have listed Bitcoin ETP exchange traded product, something like ETF, right? And they also have a basket of ETPs for Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Stellar, and EOS, yeah. And they also have something for Ethereum as well. And now they are going to have something for XRP. So it's like an ETF, but for XRP. This is going to be launched in 2 months' time, right? So very, very good news. Again, who normally buys this product? They have disclosed that it's normally customers in Switzerland, and who have access to Switzerland, right? It's really the very rich people. That means very rich people who already bank in the private banks in Switzerland. And remember, Julius Baer already said they are already going to offer crypto services, and I'm sure they will facilitate their clients to invest in this kind of ETP. So again, very good news, right, for the top coins, right, that they have exposure to, right? So yeah, that's all I have for this video. This is just really to tell you, right, that a lot of the regulators and traditional financial institutions are already integrating themselves into crypto space. So definitely this is going to stay, right? And the only way that it is going to see massive adoption, and really it is so high probability now that crypto only will gain, right? So do you see what I see, right? So yes, hope you like this. Hope you can subscribe. And from all my new subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Truly appreciate it. And I see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you.